What if I told you, one of the most popular dividend ETFs in the world just went on sale? And not just any ETF, we're talking about the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, a favorite among long-term investors, dividend collectors, and passive income builders. But here's the big question. Is this a golden buying opportunity, or a value trap in disguise? Because let's be honest, just because something is cheaper, doesn't mean it's a good deal. In today's video, we're going deep. And I mean really deep. We'll break down why SCHD is pulling back, what's actually happening under the hood, whether the dividend is still safe, and most importantly, if now is the right time to buy the dip. Hello viewers, if you're enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this, and remember to comment and share. Let's get into it. What's going on with SCHD? First, let's address the obvious. SCHD has pulled back from its highs, and that's making investors nervous. But here's the thing. This isn't happening in isolation. The broader market, especially dividend stocks, has been under pressure due to rising interest rates, or expectations around them, strong performance in growth stocks, rotation out of income-focused investments, and SCHD. It's heavily exposed to value stocks, dividend-paying companies, slower growth sectors, so naturally, it gets hit harder during these rotations. But here's the key insight. Price movement does not equal business deterioration, and that's where most investors make a mistake. What SCHD actually holds? To understand whether this dip is worth buying, you need to understand what SCHD really is. SCHD tracks the Dow Jones U.S. Dividend 100 Index. That means it focuses on companies with strong cash flow, consistent dividends, healthy balance sheets, long-term stability. Some of its top holdings typically include PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, Cisco, Texas Instruments, Home Depot. These are not speculative companies. These are cash-generating machines. So when SCHD drops, it's not because these companies suddenly became bad. It's usually because market sentiment changed, interest rates shifted, or investors are chasing something hotter. Is the dividend still safe? This is the big one. Because most people buy SCHD for one reason: income. So let's address it directly. Is the dividend at risk? Short answer: no, not structurally. SCHD has a strong dividend growth history, high-quality companies, a rules-based screening process. In fact, SCHD specifically filters for dividend sustainability, financial strength, return on equity. This isn't a random basket of high-yield stocks. This is quality-first dividend investing. Now, could dividends fluctuate slightly? Yes. But a major cut across the ETF? Highly unlikely unless there's a major economic crisis. Why SCHD is falling, the real reasons. Let's break down the real reasons behind the pullback. 1. Interest rates. When rates rise, bonds become more attractive, dividend stocks become less competitive, so investors rotate out. 2. Growth stock dominance. Right now, companies in tech and AI are dominating headlines. Think faster growth, bigger upside, more excitement, so money flows away from boring dividend ETFs like SCHD. 3. Sector exposure. SCHD is not heavy in high growth tech AI driven companies. Instead, it leans toward industrials, consumer staples, financials, so when growth rallies, SCHD lags. Is this a buying opportunity? Now the question you came for: should you buy the dip? Let's look at it from three perspectives. Bull case, why you should buy; you're getting high-quality companies at a discount. Dividend yield increases as price drops. Long-term compounding becomes more powerful. Historically, dips in SCHD have rewarded patient investors. If your time horizon is 5 to 10 plus years, this starts to look very attractive. Bear case, why you should wait. Interest rates could stay higher. Longer growth stocks could continue outperforming. SCHD might go sideways for a while, meaning you could buy now and see little movement short term. Balanced view. Here's the truth. SCHD is not a quick win ETF. It's a slow, compounding machine. So the real question isn't, will it go up next month? It's, will this build wealth over the next decade? How to buy the dip. If you're considering buying, here's a smarter approach. 1. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Instead of going all in, buy in chunks. Spread your purchases over time. This reduces timing risk. 2. Focus on yield. When SCHD drops, yield rises. That means more income per dollar invested, better long-term returns. 3. Pair with growth. You don't have to choose. A smart portfolio could include SCHD, income plus stability, growth ETFs, upside plus innovation. Balance is key. Biggest mistakes investors make. Let's call these out. Panic selling during dips, expecting fast returns from dividend ETFs, ignoring fundamentals, chasing hype instead of strategy. The investors who win with SCHD, they stay consistent. So, is SCHD safe to buy right now? Yes, if you understand what you're buying. This is not a hype stock, a short-term trader get rich quick play. This is a long-term income and compounding machine. And dips, they're not something to fear, they're part of the strategy. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of most investors. Because you're thinking long term. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more ETF breakdowns, and let me know in the comments, are you buying SCHD right now, or waiting? And as always, invest smart. Stay patient. Build wealth.